Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify with Microsoft Teams step by step clearly. To connect Shopify with Microsoft Teams, start by logging into your Shopify account. In the Shopify admin, go to the Apps section. Click on Visit the Shopify App Store. Select the Microsoft Teams app from the search results. Click on the Add App button to install it. You may be prompted to log into your Microsoft Teams account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, you'll see a setup guide on your screen. Choose the notifications you want to receive in Microsoft Teams. You can select order updates, shipping notifications, and more. Set up the specific Teams channels where you want to receive notifications. Review your selections carefully. Click Save to finalize the integration settings. Now, head back to your Microsoft Teams application. Find the newly created app or notification channel related to Shopify. Test the connection by placing a test order in your Shopify store. Verify that notifications appear in Microsoft Teams. If any issues arise, return to the Shopify app settings. Make necessary adjustments to your notification preferences. Once everything is working correctly, you are all set. You can now stay updated on your Shopify store directly through Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.